Alright mates, we're going out. It's Friday, been at work all day, all week, and we're gonna head out. The weather's kind of half good today, but it's gonna be mint tomorrow and Sunday. There's no one here, not a single boat trailer in the car park, but we're gonna go out anyway. The wind's half kind of picking up, but the swell's not very big and the frequency of the swell's quite small, so see you out there.
I put that record on, girl, you know what song, and I let it play again and again. You're in every line, takes me back in time.
So yeah, it's been a pretty, let's just say, bumpy ride on the way over, but as we're just coming in now to the island, we've been treated to a little dance display by a couple of whales, which I'll show you now.
What are you listening to? Is it a cover band in some college town bar where it's knives and air guitars, or is it something to get you through? Just a sad song playing on a radio station, tears still falling, hearts still breaking, 'cause you're hanging on. Or is it a love song about someone new? What are you listening to? I'd like to believe that you're just like me, trying to figure out how a good thing goes bad. I don't know, I can't let it go. Yeah, it's about to drive me mad. What are you listening to? Is it a cover band in some college town bar where it's knives and air guitars, or is it something to get you through? Just a sad song playing on a radio station, tears still falling, hearts still breaking, 'cause
So yeah, that's us. We've just hooked onto the mooring. The mooring rope was gone. Well, I just lassoed literally the mooring pole with my own rope, and yeah, this is us. We're only, a few k's away from Mackay on St. E's Island. As you saw, we had a couple of pods of whales. I think there was 2 separate pods. There was 4 in total of whales, which was really nice to see. So this will be us now. Wilder's just getting his sea legs. And yeah, we'll just have a little kip on the boat here. Watch a movie on Netflix on the phone. I forgot, we were gonna hang a white tarp there, projector on the dash, so we could lay in the cuddy and watch the film, but I forgot it all. Just watch Netflix on the phone if we feel like it, and just relax it up for the night.
Shipwreck in the dark, far from the harbor, far from the start, in a storm.
I heard a bit of splashing, so I cast the line out, and I've caught something. He's a big I'm trying to hold on. I'll let you know when he's in the boat. for the rod, and I've just caught something else, and it's just bitten straight through my line, taking the lure with it. So that's my fishing over. As much fun as I was having, catching a couple of things. Morning, day 2. We're out on the water. It looks really nice now, but it was rough last night, really rolly sleep. Big tides, 6 meter tides, like top and bottom of it as well this weekend. So as the tides were rolling in and out through the night, we just got a big rock and roll on, you know. So it just made for a uncomfortable sleep. Yeah, I'm not too sure what the plans are today. We'll fire up the boat and go for a little spin. We might just go and see some whales jump in and dot over to a few islands and just check some stuff out. See how we go.
Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me you're stronger than a whole team. I know you can't relax, and you don't want me to know that. I see you work real hard. Help your friends, but trust me, baby, you don't owe them. Don't take on people's problems. I wanna see you smile, even when you think I'm angry. It's true, it might take a while, but it's between you and me. Wear some, no, 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 no. I know you check my texts. Don't you worry about my ex. I might be on his mind, but I never reply. Remember on the weekend I said I'll make some changes, and you said you do the same thing. Cause I don't wanna fight my king. Yo, I held you when you was weak. You caught me on my knees. Don't pressure me for some kids, and I won't pressure you for marriage. I know it's never the right time, but we gotta do things on our time. Sometimes I still doubt myself, but at least now I love myself. I am quite emotional, that's why you can't get close at all. So I start to push away the ones that love me, cause I'm scared that they might walk away. I'm not perfect, so I try every day and I'll grow a little bit. Read a little more so I can educate my kids. Eat for my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the sea. Peace and serenity is all. Sometimes we fall in love. Love is always in us. Sometimes we fall in love. Love is always in us. Sometimes we fall in love. Love, love, love. Ooh, wear some, no, no.
Yeah, so that was us. Enjoyed our food, and then we just sat on the boat hanging out, just having a few well-needed conversations. Wilder was happy to sit at the helm of the boat. Yeah, me and the wife just had a few discussions, well-needed talks about our future plans and, you know, life in general. You know how it goes. I suppose you could call it a staff meeting, a family meeting. But yeah, now we decided we weren't going to do a second night, so we kind of just did one more lap around the backside of the island. And yeah, as we started picking up speed, as you can see here, to set off and head home, we saw a couple of blowholes going off. So we decided, yeah, to just do one last little goodbye to the whales and, you know, enjoying the display they were putting on, which was unforgettable. As you know, a lot of you have seen whales yourself, you'll know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll try and keep you updated with the next adventure.
Lost in the sea.